Meron bang term insurance na hindi nagmamahal at nagtataas yung premium every year? The answer, yes, meron. Because generally, there are two types of term insurance. As we all know, term insurance is the cheapest form of life insurance and purely insurance lang yung binibili mo rito and nag-e-expire siya. You have to renew every single year. Parang insurance ng kotse, parang HMO. You just pay and you're covered for 365 days. Kailangan mo mag-renew ulit next year. So the first type is the one that is increasing yung premium. Since sobrang mura niya, no, for example, age 25 ka kumuha, next year, 26, mas mataas yung premium niya. And then every single year, as you renew, nagmamahal yung premium niya as you age. Pero ang tanong, meron bang level premium lang? Yes, yun yung second type of term insurance. Level premium. Hindi nagtataas yung premium niya every single year. Flat na siya, fixed premium guaranteed mula ngayon sa age mo hanggang age 65. So, to answer that question, yes, meron tayo. Si AIA, merong product na tinatawag na Guardian 65. Right? So, from your age right now hanggang age 65, fix yung premium niya. Pero kung buhay ka pa at age 66, hindi mo na siya mare-renew, wala ka na rin mga benefits. Tignan natin itong ginawa kong quotation for my 30-year-old client na male. Yung 1 million coverage na life insurance, dinagdagan pa natin ng optional riders na accident insurance 1 million din in case of accidental death, tapos 100,000 na medical reimbursement in case of any accident na nabuhay yung insured, makaka-reimburse every accident 100,000, tapos may waiver premium pa in case of disability, total and permanent disability, mawa-waive na yung premium mo. All in all, lahat yan 10,000 lang a year. Optional pa yung riders, pwede mong alisin yan. Pero syempre, sayang din, no? Maganda na yung benefit na yan. No, less than 1,000 a month, 10,000 a year, 1 million yung coverage mo. It gives you peace of mind in case of premature death, may makukuha yung family mo. In case of accident, madodoble yung benefit, magiging 2 million. And then, meron pa for medical reimbursement. At dahil sobrang mura niyan, I suggest you get at least 3 million. Sa panahon ngayon, saan lang makakarating yung 1 million? Maliit na rin yung value ng pera, no? So for 3 million, 22,000 lang a year. Less than 2,000 a month. May 3 million life insurance, may 1 million accident insurance, may 100,000 medical reimbursement. So yes, fixed premium yan. Hindi na yan magmamahal. Once you lock in the premium, healthy ka na approve ka, guaranteed yan na yung premium. The only disadvantage is kapag buhay ka pa beyond age 65, wala ka makukuha, wala rin makukuha yung family mo. Pero dahil nga kaya siya mura, ganun ang term insurance.